In some breaking news coming in, this is the latest as far as the Jharkhand judge murder case is concerned. Now, as per the preliminary post-mortem report, the cause of death has been found to be a head injury. The police sources have suggested that forensic teams are helping the police to understand the nature of the injury. The accused who have been arrested have not taken the names of the real culprits so far. Meanwhile, in another development, the Supreme Court has also taken suo motu cognizance of this case and, in fact, has sought a report on the investigation from the state's Chief Secretary and the Director General of Police. The Supreme Court has also raised concerns about how judicial officers are being targeted, and this is a bigger issue that does, in fact, need to be addressed. And as well, the court said, the top court also added that at this stage, it will not interfere with the High Court's proceedings. Remember, the death of Uttam Anand, an additional sessions judge in Jharkhand's Dhanbad on Wednesday, sparked national outrage. Meanwhile, let's also tell you about some of the probe details that have emerged. It's been 48 hours since Jharkhand judge was mowed down by an auto, but there is no further word yet from the cops on the alleged conspiracy angle. The Jharkhand High Court has sought details of the case from the SIT on a day-to-day basis. It's also said that it will be hearing this case on a weekly basis.
We are standing in front of the Ganga Medical Hall, and this is the point of occurrence where that ADJ was actually killed in something what was apparently similar to an accident, and then after the inquiry it was found that the auto rickshaw actually lost its locus and then hit that additional district and session judge while he was on his way on his morning walk, and then it took its path and went straight to this road which actually reaches to Giridih. That being said, we have been told that the arrests were made in this regards. 2 arrests have been made. One was from Dhanbad railway station, wherein the first culprit or an accused was actually nabbed by the law enforcement authorities while he was actually in inebriated condition, and then he was actually taken to the custody, after which and he revealed critical information pertaining to the arrest of the second person concerned.